rests, or she's got a cute little
It's a catchy hiccuping.
I mean, Carol's got all those things, but she's got it going on upstairs as well as down. Perfect.
That's not TV, go away.
Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, he wants to try my Thai food. That's okay.
That's not TV, fuck off, man. I cook your dinner. Stable day for them stuff. Shut up. Do you know what's TV? It's like one of the best moments of TV ever coming up. Where's my hat, man?